time and I realized that I haven't done a vlog in a minute about homeschooling. So I thought I'd kick off this back to school season to share some exciting news. I graduated! That's right, I am officially done with high school. I'm starting full-time college this fall and I'm just 16 years old. And as an added bonus, I actually already have 18 college credits that I got being dual enrolled in community college while I was still in high school. I'm so excited about this new stage in my life, and I just thought I'd do a quick post because I know a lot of people come across my YouTube channel because they are new to homeschooling or they're just in the process of figuring out whether it's a good fit for them. So I thought it might be nice to hear from someone who did it and has absolutely no regrets. Yes, I homeschooled and I have a 4.0 GPA in college. So for those of you who think homeschoolers don't learn anything or the right things, think again. Yes, I homeschooled and never did I have any worry about whether I'd get taken seriously by colleges. Most colleges welcome and even like homeschoolers because when you look at the stats, we actually do really well in college, and they know this. Yes, I homeschooled and I considered myself fully socialized because I know that a lot of people out there think that homeschoolers are just a bunch of weird shut-ins. You couldn't be more wrong. I have a ton of wonderful friends, a really diverse group of all kinds of kids. Homeschoolers, public school kids, private school kids, and even some friends I've made at college while I've been dual enrolled. And some of the friends I've been attending homeschool classes with since I was 7 years old. So your kids can really form strong, long-term friendships. Yes, I homeschooled and I walked away with a lot of the same memories that public school kids had. I joined clubs, I learned in classrooms, I went on field trips. I went on a ton of field trips actually, because that's what homeschoolers do best. And I went to formal dinners and dances. I even attended commencement with all of my graduating friends where I got to wear a cap and gown. Yes, I homeschooled and I advanced way past the point where my parents could teach me. No offense, Mom and Dad, but once I hit high school, they could barely remember the stuff I was learning. And also because a lot of my interests were things they knew nothing about. So I turned to online homeschool resources like Udemy, OutSchool, edX, Khan Academy, and occasionally Acellus, Time for Learning, and Calvert. And yes, that's also when I started taking college classes for credit as dual enrolled student. So I guess the point I'm trying to make here is that yes, you can homeschool your kids and they'll turn out just fine. I think if I were to give parents just one piece of advice, it would be to consider always giving your kids the option of going back to public school if they want. Because I think it's probably a lot easier to keep kids learning when they feel like it's their choice. And maybe also to just keep them learning things that interest them. I'm not saying to skip algebra, but make sure they have other topics they can look forward to. Because they'll get their algebra done a lot quicker if they know that they'll next get to do something like photography or foreign language or creative writing or whatever they enjoy most. But outside of that advice, really just have fun with it and always be willing to change things up as their interests change, and definitely if you need a curriculum change because some of the ones are really dull. And learning shouldn't be deadly dull, right? Anyway, if you'd like to learn more about all the many different homeschooling tools and resources I've used over the years, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking that subscribe button. I've already posted a lot of reviews, and since we paid full price for all of the resources, my reviews are always unbiased and honest. And I'll also be posting more in the weeks ahead. Thanks so much for watching and for subscribing to my channel.